Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear viewers, in this video, we will explore some of the best modern wardrobe design ideas that combine style, functionality, and innovation. When it comes to organizing your bedroom, a wardrobe plays a crucial role. But in modern homes, wardrobes are not longer just for storage, they have become an essential part of interior design. A well designed modern wardrobe can enhance the beauty of your space while keeping everything neat and organized. Let's get started. First, let's talk about sliding door wardrobes. These are perfect for modern homes, especially where space is limited. Unlike traditional hinged doors, sliding wardrobes don't require extra space to open, making them ideal for compact bedrooms. They also give a sleek and clean look, often featuring glossy finishes, mirrors, or glass panels. Next, we have walk-in wardrobes, which are a dream for many homeowners. If you have enough space, a walk-in wardrobe offers a luxurious and highly organized solution. You can customize sections for clothes, shoes, accessories, and even add lighting to create a boutique-style experience right in your home. Another popular option is mirror wardrobes. These designs not only look stylish but also make your room appear larger and brighter by reflecting light. Full-length mirror panels are both practical and elegant, making them a favorite in modern interiors. If you prefer a minimalist look, handle-less wardrobes are a great choice. These wardrobes use push-to-open mechanism or hidden handles, creating a smooth and seamless appearance. They are perfect for achieving a clean and contemporary aesthetics. Let's move on the modular wardrobes. These are highly customizable and designed to fit your specific needs. You can choose different apartments, shelves, drawers, and hanging spaces according to your lifestyle. Modular wardrobes are especially useful for maximizing storage in an efficient way. For a bold and stylish statement, consider glass wardrobes. Frosted, tinted, or transparent glass panels can add a modern and sophisticated touch to your room. You can even combine glass with wood or metal frames for a unique and eye-catching design. Another trending idea is open wardrobes. These are perfect for those who like to keep their clothes easily accessible. Open wardrobes create a modern and airy feel, but they do require proper organization to maintain a neat look. Now let's talk about built-in wardrobes. These wardrobes are designed to fit perfectly into your room's layout, utilizing every inch of available space. They provide a seamless look and can be customized to match your interior design theme. Lighting is another important feature in modern wardrobe design. LED lighting inside wardrobes not only improves visibility but also adds a luxurious touch. Motion sensor lights are especially popular as they turn on automatically when you open the wardrobe. Color and finish also play a key role. Neutral tones like white, beige, and gray are widely used for a modern look. However, darker shades like black, walnut, or matte finishes are becoming increasingly popular for a bold and elegant appearance. In addition to aesthetics, functionality should always be a priority. Modern wardrobes often include features like soft close drawers, pull-out racks, shoes organizers, and hidden compartments. These features make your daily routine more convenient and efficient. Before choosing a wardrobe design, consider your storage needs, room size, and overall interior theme. A well-planned wardrobe should not only look good but also make your life easier. So, which design did you like the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home design inspiration. Thanks for watching this video.